What's going on, guys? CEO of One here, telling you a little story about making some extra money. Always look for things you can do on a property for one of your customers. That might not be something you do all the time, but this will be easy enough for you guys to get done and upcharge a little bit. This was a line item we did one day. She had these beautiful stones out here covered in moss and Glioxapsomagma bacteria. We didn't even post-treat them. We just did a little turbo nozzle. It took maybe 15-20 minutes to do these 3 garden beds for her and get them nice and clean looking. Customer was totally happy with it. I think we charged $150 or $125 just to make all these stones look great, nice and new again. Make sure you do a good job. Don't leave any black spots anywhere like up at the top there, but we do end up getting it off eventually. The good news for this is another way you can raise your ticket price, guys. So if you're charging an average ticket price of $200, I think our average ticket price right now is like $736, if I'm not mistaken. Raising that number will raise your weekly paycheck, your monthly paycheck, your take-in. It will also allow you to make more money for new equipment, buying chemical, whatever it may be. And another thing I'll encourage you guys to keep in mind is, let's say this one little thing, it take us maybe, like I said, let's say it takes us 30 minutes. If you do, this was 30 minutes, like I said, I think we billed 150 for this. If you do that an extra 3-4 times a week, how much extra money could you put on your weekly bottom dollar, guys? Twice a week is $300, maybe an extra hour of your time total. Always look for these little things, whether maybe it's gutter striping or, to remove the striping off gutters. Oxidation stuff is always good, but you do need a little bit more know-how to do that. Fences are great. You can clean a fence the right way with some metasilicate. There's several things you can use, Wood Wizard, all kinds of different chemicals, stuff you can order on Amazon. Hell, I've even taken a few fences that are out in the sun, wood fences, and just shot them with some 2% sodium hypochlorite and walked away. Cleaned up the green, cleaned up the black, made it look a lot better. Is it the right way? No. Is it the best outcome for professional wood results? Absolutely not. But on a 15-year-old fence that's absolutely black and green, your customer might still be willing to give you, $100, $200 just to spray the fence down. And it, like I said, good enough results to where the customers have always been happy. I let them know, hey, if you want to do this the right way, on your fence, we'll clean it up and restore it, maybe $600. All right? Both sides. The right way. Or I can spray it with some sodium hypochlorite for $200 and just drench the thing in 2% and really allow the fence to kill the bacteria, kill the green stuff. But anyways, guys, CEO of One, what other ways can you think of to add more money to the bottom line? What else can you think of? We've done playground cleaning. We've cleaned doll houses outside. Not doll houses. What do you call them? Houses outside. Not the dog house, but like kids' play areas. We've cleaned those. We've cleaned playgrounds. It's just anything extra you can do to add value for your customers. Put it down in the comments down below, guys. I'm the CEO of One. Love to hear your ideas. If you have any questions, put them down below. And we'll see you next time, guys.